Many times when a builder was putting in a window, it was a wood window with a single pane of glass. Unfortunately, it was very unenergy efficient. Then you had 2 panes of glass, which was great, but the problem was with no Low-E or argon in there and just basically empty space, it was unenergy efficient. So ProVia is doing a double-pane Low-E argon with the extra Low-E coatings to give it a very energy efficient glass. You can step up and do 3 panes of glass or a triple glazed to even get more sound deadening and or more energy efficiency, but sometimes triple glazed with Low-E and argon or even krypton gas can be a bit overkill. So at the end of the day, DLA UV is definitely the recommendation for ProVia windows and the standard on ProVia windows.